Eastbourne Pier, everyone, with the herring gulls. Yeah, I've got nothing on me. Just saw someone with Chinese, didn't you? Chinese takeaway. Anyway, here with Ma.
Come down
She's
here.
bird swapping up there.
Come down here.
Buddy!
Come down here.
As you can see, Eastbourne Pier. Eastbourne
Mum's
Pier.
on the way.
Ma.
Run up. Not me, I'm not feeding you anymore.
And you. I know, and I got nothing on me. Nothing at all today. Unlike me, isn't it?
Just paint these bunches as well.
Busy getting the wheelchair out. I forgot crumbs. I know, I'll pop down later. Anyway, looking out to Beachy Head and Burling Gap with the herring gulls off the high.